Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to crop an image in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open PowerPoint and here I have a blank presentation. To change this I will import an image of a game that I'm currently developing in Unreal Engine. So let's first change the size, and as we can see in this image there is a taskbar that I want to crop. For this I click on the image so that I get the tab Picture Format. Here under Size we find Crop, and now I click on the icon and crop the taskbar from my image. The cropped area will become transparent. This means that this area will be gone after my editing, but still remains in the PowerPoint file. Because if I click on the icon again, it is gone. But if I click on the icon once again, I could undo this step because the part of the image is still saved in my file. But in this case we are happy with the result. And now we want to look how we can do this with other shapes. For this I will drag in another image. And we do the same. We click on the image, get the Picture Format tab, go to Crop, but now click on the small arrow down and go to Crop to Shape. Here I can now select any shape I want, like this one, and my image is already cropped. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.